so much to say about Gurukul. First thing I want to tell, from today, as per Sadashiva's instruction in Agama, I am making not only the Nityananda Gurukul of the Bengaluru Adinam, all over the world, all our Nityananda Vidyalaya classes, all the services provided by the Nityananda Gurukul and the branches which are going to be started are functioning in all extensions of the Gurukul. Nityananda Gurukul in Bengaluru Adinam and all their extended services as completely free of cost. From today, it is official. Earlier, I experimented with the possibilities like option and all that. Now, I am making it official. Not only the Gurukuls I am running, the Gurukuls I am going to run. All the branches already running and going to start. All the services provided by the Gurukul, like Nityananda Vidyalaya classes, Yogic Sciences classes, through two-way video conferencing, whatever. All services are provided completely free of any economical commitment. It is completely free of charge. And I am making it very clear. This declaration comes as per the guidance of Sadashiva. In Agamas, I referred at least 6 Agama. All the 6 are very clear in their instruction about how the Gurukul should run. Even if the father of the child is a king, you cannot ask for any charge. That's the instruction, that's the extent. Sadashiva goes. So, as per Sadashiva's instruction, we decide the Gurukul will be 100% free. We will run it by the voluntary contribution. Sadashiva also gives instruction. If the Guru is not having enough, he should go around and beg and feed the students and run the Gurukul. So, Sadashiva has not kept me in that position where I need to go around and beg. He is showering enough wherever I am sitting. So, we will execute his instruction. We will make the Gurukul completely free. And I also make this declaration and commitment to Vedamata, Sanatana Hindu Dharma. By the 15th anniversary, I will make this Gurukul with at least 100,000 students. It's my commitment to Vedamata. It's my commitment to Sanatana Hindu Dharma. And 1 lakh children studying, at least 75,000 Balasans. At least 70,000 manifesting multiple powers of Sadashiva and 50,000 fully enlightened. When I say, I mean. When I say, I mean. Now I know I just need to build infrastructure. And Sadashiva is gracing us with his Vishwakarma energy. We will be capable of doing it. We will be able to do it. We will do it. And I am keeping the Gurukul as far more important priority than even the golden temple. Understand?